Alright guys, my name is Hez and today we're celebrating Holi. So come on down to Student Union. We have dancing, performance, music and food, face painting, wall painting, you name it, we have it. Let's go!
We have the activity paint the wall. We'll be painting the hands of all the participants and then all they have to do is put their hands and mark on the wall. Just like that.
Yeah. And then go to the next one. This one.
This is red.
Yeah. It melts pretty easily, yeah?
Very nice. Yeah.
So that's a Kaju Katli. So you want to go for? Try the spicy one, bro. Yeah. So you can use the tamarind chutney as well, the sauce, the sweet sauce. So how was it? How did you find the entire event?
The entire event?
Entire event, yeah?
10 out of 10. Great planning. Great planning.